from location point of view, you can see Godrej Emerald and Godrej Exclusive. Both are located at Gorbandar Road. Godrej Emerald, which is, if you can see, that's equidistant from Eastern Expressway and Western Expressway. And आपको जो एक पीला कलर का लाइन आपको दिख रहा है, that yellow patch, that's metro line number 4, which is connected through metro line number 10 and metro line number 5. Metro line number 5 is towards Kalyan and metro line number 10 is towards Mira Road. Now metro line number 4 जो है आपका थाने का, it is starting from गायमुख, and गायमुख से ये सीधा आपको लेके जाता है वडाला तक. एंड गोदरेज एमरल्ड जो है ये आपका गायमुख स्टेशन से हार्डली 6 to 7 वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस के ऊपर है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज properly located, properly connected through metro as well as roads, and if you see towards western side also, it is very easy to commute. आप लोगों ने काफी लोगों ने देखे ही होंगे, मेट्रो लाइन नंबर 4 का काम चल रहा है, एंड स्पेशली इन लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन आल्सो ये काम रुका नहीं. So we are expecting by 2022 this metro will be starting, which is starting from Gaimukh station till Vadala. So this is the actual render drawing of Godrej Emerald. On our left hand side, you can see that's tower number 1 and 2. So we have total 7 towers. On our left hand side, that's tower number 1 and 2. In front, that's tower number 3, 4 and 5. And in right hand side, that's tower number 6 and 7. Now from tower 3 to tower 7, my elevation is 4 level podium, stilt and 27 stories, and which is the superstructure already been done. Right now the finishing work is going on. In case of tower number 1 and 2, which is on our left hand side, the elevation is 4 level podium, stilt and 30 story, where right now the plinth work is, plinth has already been done. Right now the slab work is coming soon. In the project we have 40 plus luxury lifestyle amenities. We have 80% of 6.25 acres, which is approximately 5 acres of open space including the podium. From Indian Green Building Council, this project already got gold certification. From project, you can expect a view like Ure Hills, the amenity side, or the Gorbandar Road city line. On the backyard of the project, that's the Gorbandar Road. Yes, you can see the junction over there. So hardly it is couple of minutes walking distance from our project, that Gorbandar Road, and Gaimukh station is on the left hand side of that junction. So which is again 6 to 7 minutes walking distance. So it's properly located through roads and metro. So can we have the project AV, please? Palka. I hope you like the video. So that's a top view. So that's a top view of the amenities. So in between all the 7 towers, you can see that's a basketball come multi-purpose court. That half circle, that's the amphitheater. You can see again a half circle that's on the podium level. That's a beautifully made skywalk. I guess it's the only project where you can see this skywalk at this level in Thane Market. Again, semi-covered swimming pool, which is a pretty uncommon in these days. And that vehicle-free podium you can see on the beneath of the towers. Yeah, Palka. So as I've already mentioned, we have 40 plus luxury amenities. So typically आप अगर देखोगे इतने सारे amenities आपको बड़े township project में मिलते हैं. Now in this 6.25 acres where 5 acres are open space, वहां पे भी हम लोगों ने ये 40 plus amenities को properly craft किया है. Now and also in these 40 plus luxury amenities, we have a couple of them which is typically in high end पे आपको मिलता है, like organic farming, like concierge service. My entire clubhouse is Wi-Fi enabled. We have enclosed gym. We have an open fitness center as well. We have a toddlers play area. And one point I want to mention over here, in every wing or every tower, we have a separate kids play area and senior citizen corner. So typically आज के तारीख में हर पेरेंट्स का एक डाउट रहता है, हर एक रिस्क रहता है कि बाबा आई एम स्टेइंग इन टावर 1, मेरे बच्चे शायद टावर 7 या टावर 6 में ना गए. So that's why in every tower or every wing we have made this. So these are the small glimpse of the amenities. So you can see senior citizen alcove for every wing, organic farming, which is typically you can see in a big luxury lifestyle, amphitheater for 250 odd people, and the skywalk, which is one of the main attraction of Godrej Emerald. So we have made these utilities point for a perfect life, like electricity power backup for the common areas. Inside the project, we have STP and rainwater harvesting. In every entry point from your clubhouse to every wing to the main reception area, we have different able entry that's a separate from the normal entry. CCTV in the entrance lobby as well as the every floor of the lobby. Fire safety measures and installation, we have low VOC paint, so that's why your carbon emission will be less. So outer wall पे आपका heat generation भी कम होगा. We have solar panels installed in the terrace. We have water backup and we have energy efficient lights in the common areas. So in nutshell, ये सारे thoughtful utilities के वजह से क्या फायदा होगा एक कंज्यूमर को? आपका मेंटेनेंस कम रहेगा. That's the most important thing. अगर आप हर चीज को गौर से देखोगे, घूम फिर के आपका एक ही जगह में जाता है कि आपका मेंटेनेंस लो रहेगा फॉर ऑल ऑफ दिस. यस पलका. So as I've mentioned, key projects here you can expect three kind of. This is from the podium level. You can see this the entire amenities. I was talking about the skywalk. So this is on the podium level, and you can see a small glimpse of the Ure Hills as well. So this is from the towards the amenity side. Next, this is the Godbandha side. So on this side, you can see a beautiful Ullas River as well as the mountain on the backyard. आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में दैट्स टुवर्ड्स मीरा रोड, आपके राइट हैंड साइड में दैट्स टुवर्ड्स माझीवाड़ा, और नीचे आपको पूरा घोड़बंदर रोड का पैच दिख रहा है. एंड दैट्स mesmerizing Ure Hills. As I have already mentioned, the project is at the foothills of Ure Hills, so obviously you can expect this view from your balcony. So that's why I always talk about it's a perfect blend of tranquility of nature and business of city life. So let me show you the unit plan here. So spacious, that's the biggest point of Godrej Emerald. Now this is a unit plan of 2 BHK spacious. The carpet area of this is 800 square feet. Yes, you heard it right. That's 800 square feet of 2 BHK, which is, I know that's very rare phenomenon in Thane market. You can see L-shaped living cum dining area, perfect foyer space for your privacy. a balcony with your proper balcony with your living and dining area where you can put two of your chairs and coffee table. Kitchen, we have two kitchen counters parallel to each other. In every bedroom, you can see a separate cupboard area. And also with your master bedroom, again a spacious balcony. So two balconies, one with your living area and another with your master bedroom. Also a separate utility area on the backyard of your common and master toilet. That's the unit plan of 3 BHK spacious. This is the more than 1,000 square feet carpet area. Again, a perfect foyer space for your privacy. Again, L-shaped living and dining area, balcony with your living area, parallel kitchen counter in your kitchen. In all the bedrooms, again, you can see a separate cupboard area, separate utility area on the backyard of your toilet. Again, a massive balcony with your master bedroom. Another point I want to highlight over here, if you see two balconies, both are in the 270-degree apart. So from this particular apartment, you can actually see a 270-degree view. And with every apartment, we are providing this utility area. So your facade, so your entire building facade look clean. So these are the USPs of Godrej Emerald. Yes, again, I'm reiterating strong connectivity since this equidistance from the Western and Eastern Express Highway. Confluence of city and nature, hardly couple of minutes walking distance from Gorbandar Road. So that's why it's less polluted, less noisy. As I've mentioned, 6.25 acres, separate kids and separate senior citizen area in every wing. Indian Green Building Council, gold certified. That's why you are getting low maintenance. All the construction, the entire 7-tower construction done by Capacite Infra, which is a renowned infra company in India. Efficiently and spacious designed homes with huge hills and green expanses view. 5 towers from tower 3 to tower 7 nearing possession. We are targeting within a year possession, and tower 1 and 2 where a plinth level is already done. So 2 BHK is starting from 700 to 800 square feet, and 3 BHK is 900 square feet till 1033 square feet. Now the most important part, that's pricing. Yes. So 2 BHK, 801 square feet, the starting agreement value in this developer subvention plan is 1.19 CR. And for 3 BHK, where 1014 square feet carpet area in developer subvention, it's 1.39 CR. 10, 15, 75, as Kiran has already mentioned, 10% within 60 days, then 15% in next calendar year, and 70% rather in at the time of OC. Although these 0.19 and 1.39 CR is excluding stamp duty and other government charges. So that's it from Godrej Emerald. I hope, I guess a lot of amongst you already visited Godrej Emerald. So we are ready with our digital partner to all of digital presentation to all of your customer. Thank you so much, Falka. Thank you.
Thank you so much.